Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to teach you how to create or generate a thumbnail for a YouTube video. There are many editing sites you can use for the editing of the thumbnail, but we are going to make it easy, so we use Canva. So okay, let's get started. You open any browser for it. I choose Microsoft Edge. I click on it. Then in the search bar I type Canva. Click OK. It takes us directly to the site. So it's a minute. Then you make sure you are signed in. If you have any accounts such as Google, you can just click on it and then it signs in for you. It's good to try Canva Pro-free, but you want to make it easy. You don't have to upgrade to any Canva site, so you click X to close it. So then we begin our editing. Okay, you can customize the size of our thumbnail depending on the video that you put. Maybe you're posting shorts or full, let me say normal videos. So on the right side you see customize size, then you double click on it. It opens something for you. So my customizing size for my video, I'll type 1920 by 1080. Then it's in pixels, so make sure you are creating it in pixels. Then create a new design. After that, it creates a space for you, just this rectangle where you edit the thumbnail. This side is for the 1920, sorry. This side is for the 1080. Then you try to upload a design for it, so you click upload. Now you can choose to upload your files. You make the thumbnail attractive. You need to upload a background picture. So you move to pictures. There's the album. Now first you can upload the background picture. You need to 3D objects. Search for a background picture that I have. So I click on this and open it. And right here it appears. Then after uploading, click on it, then it appears over here. You make sure it customizes with the size of the open space. Then you shift it to the right. And now we are having it intact. If you have one you upload editing or download if you don't have. Now you can also edit the background using text and shapes or other pictures that you have. So I again upload files. And go to my pictures, click on the pictures for it to give me the options. Then I choose either the other ones, and then I have my pictures right away. Let me choose this one. so that it uploads. Then I click on it. After I click on it, it appears over here. You can choose to adjust the size of it a little bit. Yeah. Then you can now choose to use text to create the heading. So to use text, at the left side of the program, click text. Then whether a heading, a subheading, or a little bit of a body text. So I click heading. And I adjust it a little bit if I want to big. And I read it. But first, you can also choose a design to put there before you write the text inside. So I move to shapes or elements to choose shapes. Then you click see all and click the see all. It opens all the shapes in the program for me. And then you select a suitable one of your choice. And I would like to choose this one. You can change the color of the shape by clicking on this and dark spots here. Then you choose the color of your choice. I choose this, then it appears. I expand it a little bit for the text to enter, and then I go back to the heading. You can choose to lock it for it to misbehave. When I go back to my heading, I delay this one and type the one of the choice. So I'm going to type 5 things to do after creating a YouTube video. And you can see it's too big, so you can choose to adjust the font size. For the plus, you make it more bigger. For the minus, you decrease the font size. So I choose to decrease the font size so as to fit into the space provided. And perfectly it fits inside. So you can see the 5 things. I have 5 hands of mine over here perfectly. Then you check whether you have a YouTube sign or something specific. If you don't have one, you can choose to upload it, download it online. Then it appears over here. Then you choose it, you want to download. Then you save it as. If you save, it begins downloading. You choose the area where you want it to be located. So I choose my pictures. Then it appears over there. Downloads, then it's good. Then we go back, we go to the uploads. Make sure the thumbnail is attractive or is catchy to the viewer's attention, that when it gets to him, it will be impressed by him and love to click on it. Then we upload the files. In pictures, right? it. Then it appears over here. After uploading well, and I click on it, then it appears over here. I put it down, or choose to adjust it. But it's okay for me, so I leave this one. I adjust this one to make it the same as this. Then you can see it's picked out. Then you can choose to write a little bit of something attached to it. So you go to our text, then write a little bit of body text. And you can choose to rotate it sideways, or then you drag it over here. It's slanted, remove slanted for 61 degrees. Then we declare what is inside and write very easy and fast. You can choose the fonts of it. First you have to highlight it, and then choose the font of it. You can decide to choose this, then it comes from. Then decide to also choose the color of the font. I realize my specific one is not only click add new color. Then you start selecting the color of your choice. Very fast and easy. I think this will be very attractive. So you have your thumbnail nicely created over here. If you wish to add any design to it, you can add. So I go to the shapes back again. Then I choose a design, a nice design for it. So to this, it appears all over here. Choose to rotate it a little bit and send it over here. Change the color if necessary. So I add a new color. Then right away it changes. So I can choose to edit it a little bit. Then you have it nicely created over here. You can change the transparency of it by clicking on it. Then you go for see more. After you find the transparency over here, then you click on it. It's 100 now. You can choose to adjust it a little bit. Then leave it. Now you see your thumbnail is nice and created over here for you. You can also choose to underline or strike through or make uppercase letters here in the text. Let's align through, you space it, you animate, but for this thumbnail it's a little bit catchy, so I think the next one we're gonna try, we're gonna make it right. So for this one, you just click somewhere, then it disappears. You can also choose to add another one over here. So I click this. And it appears. I choose to change the color to the same color I chose first thing. This. and rotate it a little bit, then drag it. And you can choose to turn it to the other side to make it perfect for upside and downwards. Then nicely you have it going. You can also change the transparency of it by dragging it to 70% as made for the previous one. Then leave it and sharp is created. Because of this one coming adjusted, you can drag it and place it inside. And wonderfully, your thumbnail is nicely created. Viewers can catch their attention easily and click it to get more viewers. Thank you for having time to spend with me creating a new thumbnail. Please remember to kindly subscribe to this channel to bring more videos and more videos. Thank you.